hello there. Stock exchanges here on Wall Street and in other financial centres around the world are greatly affected by big political events. The Brexit referendum and Donald Trump's presidential election victory are good examples. Generally speaking, though, it's very hard to predict the future and even harder to predict how markets will respond to different eventualities. So what should investors do? Here's George Kinder, an expert on financial advice.
Personally, I think that the advisors and investment managers who manage their money based on 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, even 20 year rates of return are really doing clients a disservice, because there is so much noise, as you call it, around what direction the market might go, and people are as often, in fact, they're probably more often wrong than they are right, and every time they make a change, there's a cost to that change, a financial cost. So what I recommend is finding an investment philosophy that is strong and based on many decades, if not 100 years of evidence, basically, as to how stocks and bonds work together or against each other, how they work in relation to inflation, and to base your investment philosophy on really long-term studies, and then sit and know that there will be volatility. And make sure that you can talk about that volatility and that the advisor can model what that volatility might look like for you in your specific concern. But you really should be looking at long-term results to base your future investments on.
Human beings are hardwired to react to recent events, and particularly to imminent threats. We're also very social animals. We tend to copy what other people are doing. So, at times of political uncertainty, it really pays to have a financial advisor who's aware of your biases and can provide you with an impartial, rational perspective.
If your advisor is a great listener, they're going to be there for you whenever you have a concern, whenever you have a problem. So if you trust your advisor to be there not as just a talking head who's just telling you how things are, but as someone who can empathize and be thoughtful about what your concerns are, and at the same time, an advisor who bases their work on long-term studies. You've done a lot of the work, just right there. I think the other thing is to realize that there are enormous volatilities that occur in markets that are largely unpredictable.
That's it for this time. Thank you to George Kinder and to you for watching. Goodbye.